In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change postage on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your shipping details are up to date, which helps Vinted show you the correct delivery options and rates for your location. Start by opening your browser and heading to vinted.com. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. At the top right of the page, look for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small person's silhouette or your avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where all your account preferences live. Inside Settings, find and click on Postage. Depending on your region, it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's the section that controls shipping details and the address used for postage. This area matters because Vinted uses it to calculate available carriers, pickup points, and pricing for your transactions. Within the postage section, locate the address area. Here, click Add Address. Even if you already have something saved, adding a new address lets you update where your items should be shipped from or delivered to. A clean, updated address helps avoid delivery issues and ensures the right postage options appear during checkout or when you list items. Now enter your new address carefully. Type the street name, house number, apartment or unit if applicable, city, and the correct postal code. Use the official spelling as it appears on your local mail, and select suggestions if Vinted offers an autocomplete that matches your details exactly. Make sure the country is correct and matches the address format you're using. Small typos can lead to failed deliveries or missing carrier choices, so it's worth double-checking everything before you continue. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give it a second to process. Once saved, your postage settings will refresh based on the new location. That means when you list an item or go to buy something, the available postage options, pickup points, and prices should align with the address you just added. If you ever move or need to ship from a different location, come back to the same postage section and update the address again so your rates and options stay accurate. That's all there is to it. Go to vinted.com, open your profile menu, head into Settings, select Postage, add your address, enter the new details, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy selling and shopping on Vinted.